Good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Students, before winter vacation, we have done exercise 11.5, question number 1 to question number 3. So today, we will start with question number 4 from the exercise 11.5. Fine. So very easy question. Look here. A part M is given and you will find M plus 10. Values are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. Okay. This is given in your book and the condition is M plus 10. This is condition. Condition given to you M plus 10 is equal to 16. This is the question. Complete the table by inspection. Inspection means you will not find the value by shifting like this. 16 minus 10, 6. This is wrong. This is simple solution method. You will not use this method as the question is inspection method. Okay. So by inspection method, you will find the result M plus 10 is equal to 16. So look here. First of all, M plus 10, this M is 1. This M is 1. So 1 plus 10 will give you 11. But we want 16 now. So next. Now this is 2. So you will put here 2. 2 plus 10, 12. Again, we will not get result. This is the inspection method. Okay. Now next is 3. So in place of 3, in place of M, put 3. 3 plus 10, 13. Again, we will not get required result. Now the next is here 4 plus 10, 14. Next 5 plus 10, 15. Next 6 plus 10, 16. And in the question it is given that M plus 10 is equal to 16. So look here, we get 16. Which value of M will give 16? Which value? Write them in the chat box. We get 16 with which number? Very good. With 6. Yes. So in the result, you will write M is equal to 6. So this is the inspection method. Fine. So in inspection method, you will show each and every step. So note down. Yes, Harmeet?
यस मैम। मैम जैसे मैम आपने 6 के बाद मैम 7 और 8 को भी करके दिखा सकते हैं।
जरूरत ही नहीं, हमारा आंसर आ गया 16। हमें चाहिए 16 तो आप करना है कर लो, बट नो रिक्वायरमेंट।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
यस यस कार्तिक।
यस मैम। मैम मुझे ये डाउट है कि जो आपने अभी हमने इंस्पेक्शन मेथड किया है, इसके अंदर जो ये हमें टिक एंड क्रॉस लगाई, हमें कंपल्सरी लगाना कि ये हमारी विश है?
नहीं, क्रॉस टिक लगाने तो फिर वर्डिंग लिखोगे। अगर आपने टिक क्रॉस नहीं लगाने तो यहाँ पे फिर वर्डिंग लिखोगे। 1 इज नॉट द वैल्यू, 2 इज नॉट द वैल्यू, 3 इज नॉट द वैल्यू। तो चाहे वर्डिंग लिखो चाहे टिक क्रॉस लगाओ, दिस इज योर विश।
एंड मैम जैसे आपने विंटर वेकेशन से पहले आपने 11.5 एक्सरसाइज करवाई थी,
Yes.
एंड उसके बाद आपने वीडियोस में 11.3 एंड 11.4 हुई है।
जैसे
मैम आप जैसे
भेजिए वैसे होमवर्क करते जाओ बस, क्योंकि किसी का
Yes.
किसी से रिलेशन नहीं है, सारे अलग अलग मेथड है,
ओके मैम।
कुछ भी किसी पे डिपेंड नहीं है, सारे डिफरेंट है। 11.3 एंड 11.4 वो बिल्कुल अलग थी, तो मैंने वो दोनों आपको करवा दी, ठीक है। 11.5 बिल्कुल अलग है, उसका 11.3 और 4 से कोई रिलेशन नहीं है। तो जैसे होमवर्क मिल रहा है वैसे करते जाओ। यस अर्शिया।
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
Good
मैम
morning.
मेरा आप एक्सरसाइज 11.3 के ट्यूटोरियल में एक डाउट था।
हाँ जी।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, गिव एक्सप्रेशंस इन द फॉलोइंग केसेस।
यस।
उसका ए और बी पार्ट 11 एडेड टू 2m। तो मैम आपने ट्यूटोरियल में 11 प्लस 2m लिखवा दिया।
तो
मैम
आप
उधर
2m प्लस 11 लिख लो, दोनों सही है।
यस मैम। मैम उधर 2 और m के बीच में हम
मल्टीप्लीकेशन का साइन है, चाहे शो करो चाहे ना शो करो, योर विश।
यस मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
यस। Either write 2m plus 11 or 2 multiplied by m plus 11 or 11 plus 2 multiplied by m, 11 plus 2m, all are same, your wish। कुछ भी लिख दो, कोई मार्क्स नहीं कटेगा। 2m plus 11, 11 plus 2m, 2 multiplied by m plus 11 or 11 plus 2 multiplied by m। ओके नम्या, मैं ग्रुप में ही होमवर्क भेजती हूँ। स्नैप होमवर्क पे तो मैंने कभी बहुत रेयर केस है भेजू, ग्रुप में ही आता है होमवर्क। यू आर राइटिंग हियर मैम, ग्रुप में होमवर्क भेजना, मैं भेजती ग्रुप में हूँ। नाउ कम टू द सी पार्ट। बी पार्ट इज योर होमवर्क। सी पार्ट, z divided by 3, so 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 so on, okay। After that, now let's start z by 3। so first of all you will put here 8 by 3, 8 divided by 3, okay। 8 divided by 3 already given in your book, 2 whole 2 by 3, 2 whole 2 by 3, and our requirement is z divided by 3 is equal to 4। this is the requirement, 4, okay। so this is not the required result। come to the next, z divided by 3, so 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3, again this is not the required result। come to the next, z divided by 3, now in place of z put 10, 10 divided by 3, and after division you will get 3 whole 1 by 3, again this is not the required result। come to the next, z divided by 3, now you will use 11 divided by 3, 11 divided by 3, 3 whole 2 by 3, again this is not the required result। this is very much compulsory to convert this into mixed fraction if the numerator is bigger, fine। now come to the next, 12 divided by 3 will give 4, okay। 12 divided by 3 will give 4, so in the result you will write z is equal to 12। so what is the name of this method? the name of this method is inspection method, okay। find again and again to reach the result। first of all 8 by 3, then 9 by 3, then 10 by 3, 11 by 3, 12 by 3, stop as you get the result। our requirement is 4 now, so stop here, okay। so this is inspection method, note down। B and D part your homework parts। after that I will start fifth question। after writing, write down in the chat box we have done, then I will start question number 5th। and students, send your subject enrichment activities by 15 January. After 15 January, I will not check and will not give any marks. 15 के बाद भेजो चाहे मत भेजो, I will give 0 because बहुत इनफ टाइम था आपके पास एक्टिविटीज को कंप्लीट करने के लिए एंड मैंने एक्सप्लेन भी खुद कर दी थी सारी कैसे करनी है. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि हमें मैम समझ नहीं आया या कुछ है. After 15, I will not give any marks. You will get 0. Now, come to the fifth question. Come to the question number 5. Fifth question is, solve the following riddles. You may yourself construct such riddles. Fine. Now the first is, go around a square counting every corner thrice and no more. Okay. Add the count to me to get exactly 34. Fine. So, fifth question, A part, step number 1. What is the step number 1? Go around the square, count every corner. So, students, write down number of corners in square. Number of corners in a square. Yes, very good, Goresh. 4. Okay. Next, thrice. Step number 2. Thrice. Thrice it. Thrice means 3 multiplied. So 3 multiplied by 4 will give you 12. Step number 3. Why I multiply this 4 with 3 as given in the book thrice. So thrice means 3 multiplication. Fine. Add the count to me. Add something. Okay. And we don't know na what is the number. So suppose we add x plus 12. उन्होंने बोला है add. क्या add? This is not given. Okay. So whenever something is not given, then you will consider variable. So we will add x plus 12 to get 34. Now, to find this x, you will shift this 12 to the right hand side and plus will change to minus. So this is 22. So in the result, you will write required number. Required number is 22. So like this, we will solve the sum. Okay. Count every corner of the square. Number of corners in a square, 4. Thrice. Thrice means 3 multiplied. After that, add the count to me. मेरे में कुछ add करो. Okay? हमें नहीं पता क्या add करना है. So that's why we are writing here x. Your wish, write any variable. This x is not a compulsion. Write y, z, p, q, r. This is your wish. Okay. So to find this x, you will shift this 12 to the right hand side. Plus will change to minus and you will get 22. So this is our required number. Fine. So note down. After that, come to the B part. Now the B part. B part is students start reading question from your book. B part. B part is for each day of the week. Okay. Now the question is based on each day of the week. Make an up count for me. Similarly, add something to me. Up count for me means add something to me to get 23. So step number 1, you will write number of days in a week. 7. Number of days in a week, 7. Now, make and up count for me. Students, up count means add something to me. Okay? So, in the step number 2, add something. Something which is not given to you. So, let me add x. To get 23. Okay? This is the question. Up count means add something. तो बेटा गिवन नहीं है आपको क्या ऐड करना है, तो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर एडिंग हियर वेरिएबल. ओके, नाउ टू फाइंड दिस x you will shift this 7 to the right hand side. Now x is equal to 23 minus 7, and after subtraction you will get 16. Yes, so required number is equal to 16. So like this you will solve the sum. Whenever you will observe up count means मेरे में क्या add किया जाए. Okay, so that addition is not given to you. That's why we are taking here x unknown. Now come to the C part. In the C part, I am a special number. The question is, I am a special number. Take away from me. Take away from me a 6. A whole cricket team you will be able to fix. Now students, tell me how can we solve this? A very good, Khushi. Well done, beta. Yes. So I am a special number, but special number is not given to you. So let the special number be x. Let special number is equal to x. Why x? Because number तो आपको given नहीं है. Okay. Now take away. Now, what is the meaning of take away? Take away means addition or subtraction. Very good, Lakshay. Subtraction. Very good, Goresh. Yes. Take away 6 from me. मेरे में से 6 को minus करो. So, x minus 6. And you will get a whole cricket team. 11. Because in a cricket team, we have 11 players now. Now, to find this x, you will shift this minus 6 to the right hand side and minus will change to plus. So, 11 plus 6. So, required number is equal to 17. So, like this, you will solve the sum. Okay? The question is, I am a special number, but that special number is not given. हमें given ही नहीं है special number. So that's why we are taking special number is equal to x. Take away 6. Take away means subtraction. Minus 6 and we will get 11. Why? As given in your book, whole cricket team. And in a cricket team, you have 11 players. That's why we are writing here 11. So like this, we will solve the sum. Now come to the next part. Fourth part. Now students, this is journal question. No need to make an equation. Tell me who I am. I shall give a pretty clue. You will get me back if you take me out of 22. Take me out. Take me out means minus. So tell me. Very good, Khushi. Well done. Yes. You will get if you take me out from 22 here, and you will get same. This is the question. Take me out. If you take me out from 22, it means 22 minus something. 22 minus x. And you will get same x here. This is given in your book. Tell me who I am. I shall give a pretty clue. You will get me back. आपको मैं दोबारा मिलूंगा जब आप मुझे 22 में से माइनस कर दोगे. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. वेरी गुड जसलीन. अर्शिया 44 कैसे बेटा? अर्शिया अगर आप यहाँ पे 44 लिखते हो तो यहाँ पे आपको -22 मिलेगा. तो ये सेम तो आया ही नहीं. क्वेश्चन इज यू विल गेट मी बैक. ये कह रहा है 22 नहीं कह रहा, ये नंबर कह रहा है अपने बारे में. ये जो नंबर है, नंबर कह रहा है भी जब आप मुझे 22 में से माइनस करोगे तो मैं आपको दोबारा मिलूंगा. ये वाला नंबर 22 नहीं, ये नंबर बोल रहा है. तो ये देखो, अगर आप यहाँ पे 44 लिखते हो तो यहाँ पे आपको -22 मिलता है. तो ये सेम तो आया ही नहीं. ओके, सो look, 11. 22 minus 11 will give 11. So required number is 11. So required number is equal to 11. This is as given in the book. I shall give a pretty clue. You will get me back. ये बेटा नंबर अपने बारे में कह रहा है, 22 नहीं कह रहा, नंबर कह रहा है. कौन सा? जो 22 में से माइनस होगा. This number is saying you will get me back if you subtract me from 22. तो जब आप मुझे 22 में से माइनस करोगे तो मैं आपको दोबारा मिलूंगा. Look here, 11. So 22 minus 11 will give 11. So this is the required number, 11. Fine. Arshia, I hope this is clear to you, beta. Yes, good. Now, after that, come to the exercise 11.1. From your book, open 11.1. Very easy exercise 11.1. Very easy. 11.1, 11.2, both are very easy. Question number first. Wait. Yes. The question is, find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following pattern. Okay, use a variable in the rule. Now stop writing. Okay, wait, first of all put your whole concentration on understanding, because from first question till last question we will use same method. Okay, so no need to write anything, put your whole concentration on understanding. Now A part. First of all, you will write here T, okay, and check your book and note that how many sticks are required to make this tea. According to you, how many sticks are required to make this? Yes, 1, 2. So 2. Come to the next. Okay. So now 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Come to the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Okay. Up to 4, this is sufficient to make a rule. Okay. Now, you observe anything, any same thing here. Now, if yes, then write down in the chat box. Any same thing you will observe here. Savyar, yes. Beta, write down in the chat box. What? All are multiples of 2. Yes, Savyar, all are divisible by 2. All are divisible by 2 means all are multiples of 2. Fine. So, make a pattern. 2 is written as 2 multiplied by 1. Okay. 4 is written as 2 multiplied by 2. 6 is written as 2 multiplied by 3. 8 is written as 2 multiplied by 4. And so on. If you want to write next number, then this is 10 and this is 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, like this. And you have to show this thing in fair. This is not your rough work. This all is your fair work. Fine. So in general, rule is equal to, okay, look. In general means use variable. Journal का मतलब होता है use variable. Okay. Now look. 1 means multiplication with 1. 2 means multiplication with 2. 3 means multiplication with 3. 4 means multiplication with 4. So अगर मैं बोलूं यहाँ पे xt है, xt. So in general, what will you write? अगर मैं यहाँ पे बोलूं xt है, xt. So 2 multiply xt means x t चलता ही जा रहा है x तक. Okay, very good खुशी. So you will write 2 multiplied by x. t लिखना है, t लिख लो. 2 multi, so this is 2t. So this is general rule. Yes. So this is in general. कोई भी वेरिएबल लिख दो. ये देखो 2 सभी में है. Look, in all you will observe 2. सारे केसेस में 2 2 2 2 2 आगे भी 2 आएगा. So 2 मल्टीप्लाई 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 मल्टीप्लाई. सो मल्टीप्लाई. और जो चेंज होता है, यू नो ना, वेरिएबल क्या होता है जो चेंज होता है. तो ये वाला नंबर चेंज हो रहा है, ये वाला हर बार. तो मैंने इसकी जगह वेरिएबल लिख दिया. सो दिस इज जनरल रूल. जर्नल रूल मीन्स यूज द वेरिएबल. जो सेम है वो लिख दो. ये देखो 2 सेम है, 2 2 2 2 2, तो मैंने 2 लिखा. मल्टीप्लाई 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 मल्टीप्लाई. दिस नंबर इज चेंजिंग. दिस नंबर इज चेंजिंग. फर्स्ट 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, next 6 आएगा. So this is changing and a changing is a variable. तो यहाँ मैंने वेरिएबल डाल दिया t. योर विश, दिस की इज नॉट कंपल्सरी, कुछ भी लिखो, x लिखो, y लिखो, p लिखो, q लिखो, जो मर्जी लिखो. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट b पार्ट. कम टू द b पार्ट. z का पैटर्न, पैटर्न ऑफ z. So students, try and write down your result in the chat box. Very easy. Very good Gaurish, very good Khushi. Harmeet, very good. Jasmine, very good. Yes, Z. Look, 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Come to the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Similarly, come to the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. Anything same here? Anything same here? Very good, Itsa. Yes, Drishti? All are multiples of 3. So 3 multiplied by 1, 3 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 4. Yes. So students, one more thing. ऐसे मत करना अभी इसको 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 के और इसको 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 कर दो. सेम पैटर्न रखना है आपने. अगर आपने यहाँ पे 3 को पहले लिखा है तो यहाँ पे भी 3 को पहले ही लिखना है, तभी पैटर्न बनेगा. So 3 multiplied by 2. Okay? Now in general, what is the rule? Write down in the chat box. Very good, Harmeet. Well done. So 3 multiplied by, write any variable here. As z is given, so write z. So 3 multiplied by z is equal to 3z. Okay? Yes. Very good, Drishti. Well done. Yes. Now come to the next question. Come to the E part. Come to the E part. Start solving E part and write down your result in the chat box. E part. In E part, E is given. And how many matchsticks are required? Observe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Very good, Harmeet. 5. Come to the E part. In E, 5 matchsticks. Now observe your book very, very carefully. Clearly visible like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. ये अटैच नहीं है बेटा, यहाँ पे गैप है. गैप मीन्स डिफरेंट स्टिक्स. अगर सेम स्टिक होता तो ऐसे होना था, विदाउट गैप. But in your book you will observe gap. Gap means sticks are different. Okay? So gap means, this gap means sticks are different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sticks. In the next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 10. Similarly, come to the next. In the next, we have 15. Very good, Ananya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So all are multiples of 5. So 5 multiplied by 1, 5 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 3. Okay. So in general, you will write 5 multiplied by E. So 5E. So like this we will solve the sum. Okay. So in the book observe, if you find gap, gap means sticks are different. इसको 4 मत लिख देना भी 1 2 3 4 ये like this 1 2 3 4. No, in your book observe gap here, gap here, gap. Gap means both the sticks are different. So 1 2 3 4 5. So this is very important to note. Okay. अगर gap है, gap means sticks are different. Fine. Students, question number 2 is same as first question. Fine. So no need to do same LCF. So no need to do. Okay. Now G part. Write G part and tell me the result in the chat box. Start solving G part. Very good, Goresh. Well done. Very good, Harmeet. Well done. Very good. Very good, Madhav. Roll number 28. Well done. 6. So in this question, G part, you will observe 6. It means the pattern with 6. Okay. So in the first 6, it means 6 multiplied by 1. Then 12, 6 multiplied by 2. Then 18, 6 multiplied by 3. Then 24, 6 multiplied by 4. So in general, you will write rule 6 multiplied by A. 6A. एंड राइट एनी वेरिएबल, जो बेटा मैंने आपको पहले बोला है, जरूरी नहीं है आपने ए लिखना है, मैंने ए लिखा है. राइट एनीथिंग, write any variable, your wish, there is no compulsion. Fine. But in the book sometime variable is given. जब आप next questions करोगे ना, then you will observe some